Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video we'll take a look at an icebreaker game called Space Bingo. This template is available on Miroverse, and it is very easy to just click a button and copy this template to your Miro account. Also, shout out to Chris Kang, who actually introduced me to this game, and I actually asked him if I could make or design design a Miro verse template for this game, and he gladly allowed me to, and so thank you, Chris. I'll obviously link his YouTube channel in the description of this video, so you can check out his YouTube channel as well. So without further ado, let's take a look at how to use this template called Space Bingo. What I have done is I have actually clicked this use template button, and it has created a copy of this template to my Miro account. The rules are here. It's quite simple, and it is here in the dead center of this template. Basically, you have two teams. One is this sort of yellowish astronaut team, and the other one is this bluish astronaut team. You can change the rockets if you want. You can use one of these rockets if you do not like the default ones that are already in this template. Now, each of these rocket is labeled with a level. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what you have here is the rules, which you start off with rolling 2 dice. And now over here, I have actually linked an external website which you can use to basically roll the dice. So it's a nice sort of 3D version of a 2 dice roll. You can even do it with 1 dice, and the rules will become slightly simpler, but it's pretty much the same thing. Follow the same template. So you roll 2 dice, and you would have numbers on the face of both of these dice, and so let's say you have 2 and 4 on each of them, and so now 2 and 4 can become 24, or it can become 42, depending on that. If it's 24, you're on level 2. If it's on 42, you're on level 4. And depending on what your team chooses, depending on what number your team chooses, let's say if I choose 24, I will place a copy of my astronaut. I place this astronaut in level 2. So I fit him in. There you go. That astronaut is in there. Now I cannot use level 2 anymore. Right? It's already populated with an astronaut. Is already sitting inside. I cannot use that anymore. So next time the dice rolls with 2 and 4, I have only one option, which is to go with 42, because that's the only space left. I can't use 24 anymore because level 2 is full. Now, this also holds true if you get 2 and 1. I cannot use level 2 anymore because that is already filled up. So I can only use 1 and 2, which is 12, which is level 1. So that way, both the teams take turns to roll the dice, and depending on what numbers you get, you fill the astronaut, in each of these levels. The team that fills up their astronauts completely, in all the levels, wins. And as you can see over here, what you'd want to do is you want to fill up your astronauts in all the levels of your spaceship. Whoever does it first will win the game. If you do get the same number on both the dice, then it's an identical number. So let's say it is 44. Either way, it is still level 4, and in that case, you have to spin, or you have to take the turn again, and roll the dice again for a different number combination. And if you get a particular number, and you have no space on your rocket left, so let's say if you already populated 42, level 4, and you already populated level 2, so now you can't do 42, you can't do 24, which means that you have no space left to play your turn, which means you have to skip your turn, and the next team gets to play their turn. So those are the only two sort of rules that you need to, or constraints that you need to work with. And then, of course, the aim of the game is to have your astronaut sit in all the levels of the rocket. So that's the game of Space Bingo. Again, if you do like this template, give this a heart. And of course, share it with your friends, with your family, with your network, and do tag me in your posts. My social media handles are in the YouTube description below, and of course, do not forget to copy this template by hitting this button. The link to this template is in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below if you have played this game using this Miroverse template, or if you have played a similar game that you would want me to create in Miroverse. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.